Hi, I'm Amy. Welcome to USA Fire and Rescue's video recipes. Today I'm making microwave peanut brittle. Now this recipe was sent in by Omar. This is a fast way to make delicious peanut brittle. Plus, it's easier to make than traditional brittle where you have to stand at the stove waiting for the brittle to cook. Well, I'm really looking forward to giving this recipe a try. So let's get started. Generously butter a cookie sheet and set it aside. In a 2-quart Pyrex or microwave safe dish, add 1½ cups of raw shelled peanuts, 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Now stir this together. Now microwave this on high for about 5 minutes. Then remove the dish from the microwave and be careful because it will be really hot. Then add 1 teaspoon of butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now stir this until it's blended very well. Now put the dish back into the microwave for about 2 minutes or so, or until the mixture takes on a light brown brittle color. After the mixture gets to the desirable stage, remove the dish from the microwave and add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and stir quickly. The mixture will become light and foamy. Now quickly pour the mixture onto the buttered cookie sheet and spread it into a very thin layer. Now just let it cool and then break it into pieces to serve. And here it is, delicious peanut brittle made in the microwave. This is a fast and easy treat for the holidays. Thank you so much, Omar, for sending in this amazing recipe. And be sure to check out Omar's channel. For this recipe and many more, check out the website. And be careful because it will be really hot. Hot. Do that part again. That's not vanilla extract. It's holding up the wrong thing. Now quickly pour the mixture onto the buttered cookie sheet and spread it evenly. Spread it the thin layer. Oh, I don't know what I'm saying. That's all.